Hey guys, today we're playing Minecraft, and today I'm going to show you how to create a quicksand trap for you and your friends. The new sulfur cubes just dropped, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a quicksand trap to trap you and your friends with the sulfur cubes. So here you are. You might need this like logo. It looks like a Roblox logo, yeah? But you need sand because it's obviously a quicksand trap. Then you put the cobweb. Then place like a 2-block tower like this. And now you might want to spawn in the 2026 brand new sulfur cube. It will get stuck through. And when you place the block, it stays in put. Yes, it does. And the cube will not move. And then okay, so let's go ahead. You might think it's noticeable. So, what you need to do is take an invisibility potion, splash potion. Put it. And now it will be like, and now it will show you 1.5 pixels, 1.5 pixels upward. And to put away the particles is effect E, everybody. Effect, everybody. Invisibility. And now if you put true in it. Okay, hold on. Effect E, invisibility 1. Infinite invisibility, infinite. And now if you put true in it, then that means you can actually hide the particles. And yep, it works on mobs too. So okay, bro. Invisibility, infinite. Well, it basically doesn't know. I don't know how to put So hold on. I think there might be okay, And then, okay, yeah. And then if you step into it, you can like dodge it. You can like dodge it, right? If you're fast enough, you can. And my favorite technique is jumping. So you could jump over it, and you can be fast to dodge it. So what do you need to do in this situation? Kill this sulfur cube and kill the other two. Yup, if you didn't know, it works the same thing for the slimes, and they get. But there is no sulfur magnet. So what do you need to do in this situation? You basically need to like expand the platform. Do the same thing but expand it. But times 4. So now, next thing's next. Cobwebs. Everybody knows that. Cobwebs is the reason 4 sulfur cubes. 4 sulfur cube. Now we have to wait till all of these decrease into their old size. Break the blocks. No, oh my god, they're breaking out. Okay. Okay, you know what? I have a genius idea. If you're broke, if your quicksand and the sulfur cube is floating away, like this, you need to place another block at the side. And then, of course, everybody knows pistons, a way to move stuff. Pistons is basically a way to move stuff. So now, if you make a pressure plate, a button, or anything that activates a piston, it can be back to its old place. It can be back into its old place. And now your quicksand trap is not ready yet. Because you still need to put invisibility in it. Right? There we go. And then after, you can be stuck and you cannot get out. And when you go inside the trap, you will slowly start to see cobwebs inside of the cubes. And you still cannot get out of here. Except if you break the blocks, everybody will now know that there's a sulfur cube, because the sulfur cube will now move away. And you can basically do the same thing with other blocks, like obsidian, the chiseled. You can like obsidian, and the new polished sulfur, and even the potent sulfur. So to do that, you need to do the same technique, but with different blocks. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. Five, six. Okay, same thing, no doubt. Okay, same thing, no doubt. You can put any block in the wall, so you don't really need them. Oh, yeah, if you didn't know, you can also get tiny ones, the baby ones. Let's just go ahead and kill all of these. You could also try with different blocks, like obsidian and the new polished sulfur. They are also called the baby sulfurs. And bam, 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 bam. Now let's break the block. And put on the invisibility. It's like obsidian. It's like the same thing. Oh wait, my trap actually worked and got one of the mobs, the polar bear. Yep. It literally got one of the mobs. So cool. So cool. It could do the same thing. So basically how it works is basically a sulfur cube. Or this transparent or this invisible one. They actually both do the same thing. You can pass through them. So, with doing that graphics, we can make sure that the quicksand trap with quicksand trap with sulfur cubes actually works. Oh my god, I got trapped. Somebody please help. So yeah, I'm basically sharing this because the new Chaos Cube update comes out and I need to do it and everybody knows it. And the trap also works with any block like obsidian, glass, and other things. And now let's try the custom. And now let's try a custom block, which is, let's try one of the custom blocks called polished sulfur. Or you could basically just... Oh my god, you gotta be serious right now. Okay, let's go trap him.
Дальним дронам больше не нужен GPS. Камера сканирует землю, а бортовой компьютер сверяет рельеф с картой. Компьютер сам подсвечивает цели на интерактивной карте, рассчитывает шансы на успех и выбирает нужное оружие для удара. Ради этого Украина передала американцам весь архив боевых данных за 4 года. На этой базе сотни западных компаний обучает более 80 новых моделей искусственного интеллекта.
Украина продолжит внедрять инновации, но через год-два у Палантир появятся эти беспилотные камикадзе. У большинства правительств армии мира тоже. Поэтому есть очень небольшой промежуток времени, когда Украина...
It's quite a shame how we got sulfur blocks singing like this. And now, put invisibility
Нейросеть от Палантира засветилась во всей красе. Правда, у
to make
безупречной
this.
западной математики есть и побочные эффекты. Систему уже
Yup.
отменяли в ошибочном ударе по школе для девочек в Иране. Искусственный интеллект определил здание как военный объект. Не исключено, что по той же технологии боевики ВСУ наводили дроны и на студенческое общежитие в Старобельске.
Oh my god, I got stuck. Somebody help.
Патрулирует территорию России.
And once you go in,
Все это мелькает на экране быстрее, чем вы успеете.
you cannot get out.
Так, Андрей Николаевич,
Basically, when you start going into the trap,
дальше как мы решаем задачу? Задачу мы решаем, исходя из того, что перед собой видим, понимаете? Мы как-то начали очень неправильно себя вести, потому что, во-первых, неправильно. Я и говорил, что 2022 года...
oh my god, they got the new.
Мы воюем вот так вот. Вот так. Это не прекращается.
These
Мы
babies
даже
are so
сейчас
cute.
начинаем рассуждать о том, что подумают на нас с точки зрения дипломатии. Давайте просто разберем события последних дней. Потому что когда мы говорим про вот это все, мы понимаем, что то, что произошло в Геннадии, это чистой воды террористический.
If you guys enjoyed this video,
Please
make sure to like and subscribe. And before we go, I just want to make a mega quicksand trap. A mega one. So instead of 4 blocks of quicksand, we could do even better. 16. Yup. What did I tell you? Everything is possible. Everything is always possible in life. Let's start off with the first 4 sulfurs.
Должна быть прекращена любым доступным для этого способом. Означает ли это, что мы... Ваня, извини, пожалуйста. Означает ли это, что мы как-то меняем ход операции непосредственно в Донецкой области? Ход операции в Донецкой области мы меняем в зависимости от необходимости.
Oh, if you guys want, we could also put like a bunch of sulfur tubes. Yup, yes, a lot. Let's put every single one of them. Let's do like every single one of Yeah, don't worry about it, just a stew. And you can even make him, and you can even make the sulfur cube your pet. Like you could place a block inside of him. And if you did not actually know, you cannot place blocks inside the baby sulfur cube. I don't know why, but They just made it illegal. We'll stay like this forever. Yeah, we don't want you. And some guy even put physics. Yup, physics inside Minecraft. Okay, so if you place like a few blocks, you do not need any of this. You need the exact same block, a bucket, and a sulfur cube spawn egg, if you have. 2, 3, 4.
При которых станет возможным принятие я считаю, что можем. И с чем это связано? Это связано с тем, что очевидно, до осени этого года они потеряют значительную часть территории. Очевидно, мы на территории других регионов возьмем под контроль еще какую-то часть территории. Очевидно, что ноябрь месяц Украина назван не случайно. Почему? Потому что в ноябре месяце Украина становится наиболее уязвимой. Их задача в летний период реализовать все свои планы в отношении России ракетно-дронными атаками, создать иллюзию их превосходства, дальше выйти на диалог типа давайте сядем за стол переговоров.
There's no more space. There's actually like no more space. Okay, now you just put a potion of invisibility, so all of these blocks are like gone. And then you need to place a block of TNT and activate it. And then after, boom! All of the blocks are spread off. This one has gotten way faster than anything. Yup, guys, I showed you. So in this video, I showed you physics and a quicksand trap. If you want, watch all of it. Goodbye, guys.